Hello everyone, this is me Siam. Today I'm gonna show you a simple keyword research method that I used for an Action legal process server company in USA. So what the company does, they actually serve the legal notice, they serve the documents that ordered by any court or any legal notice, whatever it is, they just serve each to other. Okay, so I just searched here Action legal process server in US. So then you can see only one website is running Google ad. No one is running here, but they are staying on the top page. So as for practice purpose, I just took this person. I just took this website, and as you can see, the website structure is not so well. So as a totally new business, so I don't have any idea of it. As a totally I am new on this sector, so I just copied the domain and I just went to the ChatGPT and paste here, and I say to the ChatGPT, suppose you are a owner of this business. Now you want to run Google ads for increasing revenue. So what also you are an expert of Google ads. Now what mother keyword that you would choose for running ads? Give most relevant keyword that people are searching to buy it. Whatever it is, just hit the enter button. So high intent keyword that you can see, there are some keyword: process server near me, higher process server, local process server. This is high intent keyword, so we just select 5 or 6. Then if we go to the Google ads, from here if we go to the Google ads, then go to tools and keyword planner. Discover new keyword, so you just paste it and change the location from here to USA, include and save and get result. So here you can only 125, but if you can think emotionally, or if you think normally that relevant with this keyword, then you can find more keyword from here. Okay, so I just took some keyword that are high intent based. People are searching for emergency taking this service, so I choose 30 keyword from keyword planner, and I mentioned everything: the search volume, the competition, top page, high page. Then I just took a forecasting results and I added on this sheet, and then an add preview. So I went to the ChatGPT and I selected all the keyword like this, and ChatGPT just paste it. I told him, suppose this keyword I selected, now give me, now write the best practice high intent based headline and description and call out extension must be under 30 character, and then site links, solution site links, solution. So here you can see the first process server is a high intent, serve papers today, obviously a high intent based headline, and the description, need papers served first, trusted local expert ready now. This is a high intent description you can see, and the call out for service 24/7 hell, someday low cost. So we just copy and paste it to the ad template, and the ad template looks almost like this. So this is how I practiced keyword research for 4 industry like air ticket, gutter repair, HPC heating installation. So yeah, you can research the keyword like this. This was a simple video. It's a high intent based simple keyword, but you can separate it like demo, like commercial, like infographical, like knowing intent, whatever it is. So yeah, this was a video. Bye for today, and best of luck, and pray for me. Okay, goodbye.